to acknowledge that you are doing a good job. Yes.
So when I'm birthday, the question here is, ngama birthday when you tell them a present from baby. Icala ukuthi umuntu wakho umthemba kangakanani.
Thula
yabo lento ukuthi angikwazi ukuthi ngibe relationship nobaba enganyami just because ucabanga ukuthi sobuyelana akukubuyelana ngoba kuhlanganisile sekwaphela but because we have to funa isihloniphane yindaba ke kumelakala ukuthi I'm losing my brain yindaba kumelakala kube ukuthi indoda le yakho osowahlukana nayo kumelakala ngaso sonke isikhathi i-birthday i-women's day i-mother's day that's the issue what I'm saying kumelakala azokuthengela ama present so that umntwana ezoba happy.
Listen to what I'm saying.